today, buyers and sellers, pay attention. I'm going to save you some money. Hey everyone, Edna Kimble with Edna Sells, Century 21 Wright Real Estate, and today's 2-minute tip is one of my favorite. It comes around every year, and I think it's one of those areas that buyers and sellers forget to take care of. And believe it or not, it is packing, decluttering, and how to save money with that. We have an announcement that I'm going to give you in just a moment. So the key to decluttering is that you want to have several stacks or piles, so to speak. And the way I look at that is you want to have 4. You want to have what are you keeping and going to pack? What are you going to sell, yard sell? What are you going to donate, give back to the community? Your trash is someone else's treasure. And then what are you going to trash? That's right, literally throw away. And this is where the tip comes in. This coming Saturday, that it would be April the 17th, is the free dump day. And yes, I get excited every year on the free dump day. And so I'm going to give you the details following this so that you know where to go, when to go, and what you're allowed to take. So there's your 2-minute tip, and I hope it helps you out. Thanks, everyone.